I think we have been meeting our first time, but we have been talking and doing some transactions for last 12 months. So they are established IT professional family and they are sophisticated investors. And I think we have been trying to help them in their financial and banking side of things. Let's hear from them. What do you think about us? How crap we are?
No, no, I mean, we have already dealt with you, and the experience was quite pleasant. And even before our first meet, this is our first meet personally, but when we had met on online, in the sense we had chat, then we went through the deal. The experience was quite positive. He is the person who goes by the rule book. He gives you blunt opinions, and he will try to help you in each and every possible way for the deal from legal or other perspective. So it's like a bit of legal safeguard you will get when dealing with him, and also quite a lot of guidance in financial aspects, which as a normal couple we did not have the insight into structures or other things.
Yep.
We quite appreciate his insights and inputs all the way.
Good, good,
Thank
good. Good. And I think we try to talk a lot broader in terms of banking rather than trying to look at the immediate transaction.
Yeah.
Like today also we spent about 1.5 hours and we I think discussed lot many subjects other than just investment, residential.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we
your
discussed-
knowledge
yeah.
is quite wide.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel that we are not able to currently use even a fraction of your knowledge. Hope to use that one in future. But whatever we have used until now, quite
Yes.
satisfied. Thank you.
Thank you. Tarika, you, what's your experience meeting for the first time?
Yeah. First, I think we met virtually.
Yes.
And we have done transaction as well. And we have pretty good experience with
Yep.
you. We feel that you are knowledgeable and we are getting good guidance. And we are looking forward for, in future
Yep.
our transaction. So let's see.
And today we changed your intent to get into some business?
Yeah, I mean, we have that in our mind.
Yes.
But yeah, let's see how it goes.
Good, good. This is the best part of these conversations, to know you guys personally, know you as a family and friends first, and then transactions will happen. But if we have the right intent and we have a long-term view, then of course I think finances and banking and business, everything should add up together. Good. Thank you so much, guys.